Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you a Google Smart Home speaker review, and this is the LG ThinQ speaker. Now this is otherwise known as the WK7 speaker, but basically this has LG's new partner technology, which is Meridian. And really this sound technology is really good. Is it better than Harman Kardon? I'm not sure, but they partnered with them to produce this amazing speaker sound quality. And for $200, I would recommend this as the best entertainment Google Home speaker currently on the market. Now, there is the Google Max, of course, out there for $400, and there are other competitors in the $200 price range, but for my money, this sound quality, in my experience, has been the best overall sound quality if you want a Google Smart Home speaker for $200 or less. Now, let me play a little sample for you, and then we're gonna compare it to the regular Google Home to show you if this really is worth a $70 difference.
You're my number one girl, you got everything I need. I know we're meant to be, so let's go fulfill prophecy. Come on. I'll be your hero, baby, if you let me. I promise I will be there for you in your time.
All right, now we're gonna play that same portion of the song on the Google Home speaker. So this is the original Google Home speaker, and this goes for $129. So you can kind of see the difference in sound quality and overall how this will sound in comparison to it. So let's go back a little bit.
Better than all of them. You're my number one girl, you got everything I need. I know we're meant to be, so let's go fulfill prophecy. Come on. I'll be your hero, baby, if you let me. I promise I will be there for you in your time of need.
So here's my thing. If you want a living room speaker, this was obviously just not on par. You could hear the bass, the clarity, the overall vocals, and just the overall song, I wouldn't recommend for something of a party line, but if you want to be able to talk to Google and you want that party sound quality, this one is a really amazing one. This has actually taken the place of my living room Google Home speaker. This is now the one that I want in my living room, so if I want to play music, if I want to jam out some songs, I'll have this there. And I put this one with my Green Lantern symbol in the office. So just to give you an idea of how you can evolve your Google Home speakers, I think for a $70 difference, if you haven't gotten a Google Home yet and you want one for the living room or a entertainment area, I think this is gonna be a much better one to go with. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Could you hear a clear sound quality difference? And also let me know what you think about this new setup. I am toying around with it. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.